Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your last seen from one person on WhatsApp. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to privacy. And as you can see, we have to click on the first option. And to hide your last seen from only one person, you have to choose the third option, My Contacts Except. And you have choose here, for example, I will choose this person. And excluded, he is excluded from that option. What does that mean? So here this option is who can see my last seen. So all the contacts or all your contacts can see my last seen, but only that person, he can't see it. It will be hidden for him. I can choose, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 people. You can choose as much as you want people, but you should know that this option is related to the second one, and the second option is who can see online. So if you choose this My Contact Except and you choose those people, so those people are the only one who can see that you are online, but your other contacts will see that you are online. It's an option that you should know, and these two options are related to each other's. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.